necessary
Hi,
in deep learning.
welcome to my
Thank you.
channel. Today we are going to understand the role of activation function in a neural network. An activation function decides whether a neuron should fire or not. It does this by transforming the weighted sum of inputs into an output value. Mathematically, the neuron first computes Z equals to W transpose times X plus B. Here W represents the weights, X is the input vector, and the B is the bias. This value Z then passed through an activation function F, giving the final output A equal to F of Z. Now, why do we need activation functions? The most important reason is that they introduce non-linearity. Without activation functions, even a deep neural network with many layers would behave like a simple linear model and would fail to learn complex patterns. Activation functions also helps to shape the decision boundary, allowing neural networks to separate data that is not linearly separable. Another key role of activation function is to control gradient flow during training. A good activation function helps gradient propagate effectively through the network, enabling faster and more stable learning. They also help avoid saturation, where the neurons stop learning because gradient becomes too small or too high. Most importantly, activation function enable deep network to approximate any function, a result supported by the universal approximation theorem. So in summary, activation functions are what give neural networks their true power. They turn a stack of linear computation into a flexible, expressive model capable of learning complex real-world relationships. In the next video lectures, we're going to see the different types of activation functions. Thank you.